Hello dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a fifth topic, create forms and reports using Wizard, Unit 3 Database Management System. In the last video, we already discussed a fourth topic, retrieve data using query. If you didn't watch that video, click the I button to the top of the right corner. Otherwise, continue this video. Let's start. First one topic, forms in database. What is form? A form provides the user a systematic way of storing information into the database. It is an interface in a user specified layout that lets user to view, enter and change data directly in database objects such as tables. Each field holds a field label so that any user who views the form to get an idea of its content. A form is more user friendly than generating queries to create tables and insert data into fields. So firstly, open our database software and then click our forms. Here two methods for creating a form. First one is create form in a design view and second one use wizard to create form. Next one topic, create form using wizard. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to create a form using wizard. So simply click a forms and then click a use wizard to create form. And this window will be appear, form wizard window. Follow the steps. First step, field selection. So select a table or query here. Click the drop down arrow and then select a table and then select available fields. If you want to select all fields, you can, otherwise you can select specific fields. Click this button. I'm selecting all the fields and then click on next button. Second step, set up a subform. If you want to apply a subform, you can add a subform here. Click the checkbox. Here I don't want to add a subform, so simply click on next button. And the next one step is arrange control. So here arrange the control of your form. Select the arrangement of the main form and then click on next button. And next one step is set data entry. So here you can select the data entry mode. If you want to add the form to be used for entries only, select the first one, radio button. And if you want to, the form is to be display all data, you can select a second one, radio button and then click on next button. And next one step is apply styles. So here you can apply a style. Here so many different styles, you can select any one. Which you want. And here you can select a field border. There are 3 field border, no border, 3D lock and flat. You can select any one and then click on next button. And last step is set name. If you want to change the name of the form, you can type here. Simply click here and then type your form name. So here I'm typing contact form and select anyone radio button. How do you want to proceed after? Work with the form, modify the form, and then click on finish button. Your form is ready for the entry. Simply click the text box and then type your entry. First entry, contact ID 101, email address, and then type a address and then city. After completing the first record, press the enter key for entering a second record. So enter the second record here. Contact ID is 102, then email address and then address and then city, and press the enter key. Here two record I entered. Close this window and then contact table. So here both entries are added, 101 and 102. Next one topic, modifying form, changing label and background. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to modify a form. So simply click a forms and then select a form, right click and then click a added, and your form is opened in the design view. And if you want to change the width of the text box, simply select a text box and then using the handle squares and drag. And if you want to add the new label, so simply click a label field button and then draw the label and double click here, and this dialog box will appear, label field, and then type the name of the label here. I type here address and then again type same name, address, in a label field, name, address, and label also address, and then close this window. Your label is created, and then move this label according your choice. Shift this label upside and then draw the text box here. Click the text box button and then draw. And then shift this text box and change the width of this text box. And if you want to change the background, simply right click in an empty area of the form and then click a page option, and this window will be appear, page style window, and then click a background and then select any one color here. And then click a OK button. Background is changed. Once you are done with the changes in the form, save and close this form. Next one topic, searching record using form. To search a record using a form, open a form by double clicking on its name. Once the form is open, you can perform the task. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to search record in a form. So simply click a form and then click the find record button, and this window will be appear, record search window, and here you can search for text. Field content is null, field content is not null. Where to search, all field or a single field. Here I want to search a record for text, so click here and then type a text 2 and then click a search button. So record is displayed, roll number 2, name Z and class 10th. And if you want to search another record, simply type a text here 4 and then click a search button. So second record will be displayed, roll number 4, name Anil, class 10th. This is the method for searching. Close this window. Next one topic, inserting a record. If you want to insert a record in a form, you can. Let's do the practical and see how to insert a record. So simply click a form and then select a form and then fill the entries. Here contact ID, "110", email address pavan@gmail.com, address New Awas Vikas, and then type a city, Rampur, and then press the enter key. Record is added. So simply close this window and check the table. Click the table and then click table contact, and here record is inserted. This is the method for inserting a record in a form. Next one topic, deleting a record. If you want to delete a record in a form, you can. Let's do the practical and see how to delete a record in a form. Click a form and then select a form, student records form. To delete a record, load the record to be deleted either by searching or by using the navigation button. This is a navigation button. Here you can search your record which you want to delete. Otherwise you can use a find record button. Click here and then search your record. Here I type a 4 and then click a search button and then close this window. Once the record to be deleted is loaded, click on the delete record button on the bottom toolbar, and this window will be appear. You intend to delete one record. If you want yes, click a yes button, otherwise click a no button. Record is deleted. I have a 3 record. One record is deleted. Close this window and then check the table. Click the tables and then click the student record table. Here only 3 records are displayed. Next one topic, concept of report in base. A report helps to display the data in a summarized manner. It is used to generate overall work outcome in a clear format. You can create report in the database. Here two types of report. First one static report and second one dynamic report. Static reports contain the data in a selected field at the time the report was created, and dynamic reports can be updated to show the latest data. Open a database and then click a reports, and here only one method for creating a report. Use wizard to create report. Next one topic, creating report using wizard. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to create a report using a wizard. Click a reports and then click use wizard to create report, and this window will be appear, report wizard window. Follow the steps. First one, field selection. Select your table here and then select available fields. If you want to select all the fields you can, otherwise select one by one. Here I am selecting all the field. Click this button and then click a next button. Second step, labeling fields. If you want to change the label you can. Click the next button. Third one, grouping. If you want to use the grouping you can, otherwise leave it. Click the next button. And next one, sort option. Select your field here and then select order, ascending or descending. By default arrangement order is ascending, and then click a next button. And next one step is choose layout. Here you can select a layout of data and then select a layout of headers and footers and then click a next button. And last one step is create report. Change the title of the report. If you want to change the title of the report you can simply click here and type the name of the report. Here you can select a report type, static or dynamic. I am selecting dynamic, and then select a modify report layout or a create report now. So I am selecting second one, create report now, and then click a finish button and your report is created in ascending order. Contact ID, email address, and city. So dear friends, in this video you learn how to create a form and report using a wizard, and also you learn how to inserting or deleting records in a form and how to search a records in a form. In the next video we will start a fourth unit, web application and security. If this video is helpful for you, hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now and also press the bell icon for the future update. Share this video to your friends and family members so this video can reach more students. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.